my name is Rahul, originally from Ireland, and I just came to Healing Hands for my treatment for a complex fistula. Been suffering with a complex fistula for almost over 3 years now, and the treatment wasn't going well in Ireland, and I was like kind of tired of the system there, so I just did some research and came across Dr. Porwal on YouTube, and saw a lot of good reviews. So I thought, I guess Dr. Porwal is like my last option, and just made the dive, and we all decided to come to India to get the treatment done. And it's been amazing, the whole experience, from the first visit to the very last visit, which is right now. I think the team is really caring, and Dr. Porwal, he's like an amazing doctor. He takes care of his patients, and he's like always supportive, always answers all your questions. So like kudos to Dr. Porwal and his team. Everyone on the staff, the nurses, the other doctors, supporting doctors, they've all been really helpful and always been reassuring. So I mean, if anyone in the world, wherever you are, if you have a complex fistula which isn't healing in whatever system you're in, I would recommend Dr. Porwal, like hands down. I think if you're suffering and if you see no light at the end of the tunnel, this is your option. So yeah, Dr. Porwal has my full recommendation to anyone who has a complex fistula. Anything you want to add?
No, just we got here and it happened very fast the next day, and then you were fistula free, like within a day, and all the confidence of the team. It just really helps, especially after a really long time, and we're just excited to be done with this and go home.
Thank you so much again.
Thank you.